You have finally decided to start your own business. You saved up the required funds, searched for commercial properties, and even thought of your business's name. But what kind of business structure should you choose for your new baby? Is one business structure better than all the others? Is there a business structure that offers protection of your personal assets? In this multi-part series, we'll address these questions and many more to help you decide which business structure is best for your new business. In Texas, there are many different business structures available. A sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business in which a single individual engages in a business activity without the necessity of formal organization. A general partnership is created when two or more persons associate to carry on a business for profit. A limited partnership is formed by two or more persons having one or more general partners and one or more limited partners, and the limited partnership must file a certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State. A limited liability partnership is a general or limited partnership that may opt to register as a limited liability partnership in order to limit the liability of its limited partners. A corporation is created by filing a certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State and is a legal person with the characteristics of limited liability, centralization of management, perpetual duration, and ease of transferability of ownership interests. And a limited liability company is created by filing a certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State and is a distinct type of entity that has the powers of both a corporation and a partnership. We will feature a separate video on each of these business forms in some of our upcoming videos. This is one question that does not have an easy legal answer. You should consider whether ease of formation or protection from liability is more important to you. Think about whether you want your business to have active managing partners or silent investing partners. Do you want tax protections or the ability to wind up easily? These questions have different answers in every business. It's essential that no matter which structure you choose, partner with an attorney who is knowledgeable about business law in order to help you best decide how to achieve your goals. It is best to choose your business structure while you're still in the planning phase of your business. Considering what you want in a business structure should be a part of your business plan. In fact, you should have your business structure formed before signing any contracts or hiring employees. Check out our How to Stay Rich video on why that step is so important. Starting your business with tons of forethought and preparation is the best way to help ensure your business is successful. Remember to check back for the other videos in this series and start considering what you want out of a business structure. If you need legal help choosing your business structure, then this video on choosing an attorney should help you get started. From all of us here at Matthew Harris Law, we appreciate you sharing this video with the entrepreneurs in your life.